Hey everyone, I should warn you right off the top that today's story is going to be a little bit gross, but it's, I think, quite interesting. So, you've been warned. I'll be talking about bacteriotherapy today, and this was first done in 2008. It's a new form of treatment, and it was discovered by Dr. Korutz of the University of Minnesota. What had happened is he had taken on a patient who was suffering from Clostridium difficile. That's a digestive issue, and it causes severe cases of diarrhea. Now, that might sound gross, maybe even a little funny, but this woman had a case that was so severe she was confined to a wheelchair. She had lost 60 pounds. She was just incapable of properly taking in the nutrients from her food. So this was obviously a very serious illness, and the diarrhea was unresponsive to any sort of antibiotic treatment. And this was actually almost an experiment done with a person, a treatment that hadn't really been thought through all that well. It was sort of on the fly, I guess. But what the doctor did was take a stool sample from her husband, mixed it with a saline solution, and transplanted it into her. That's exactly what it sounds like, a shit transplant. And amazingly, the diarrhea was gone within a day. What had happened was the bacteria that's usually found in the digestive tract and often is in human feces was absent within this woman, and they were able to transplant this bacteria from her husband into her. A lot of people don't realize that bacteria is all over the human body. Bacteria actually outnumbers human cells 10 to 1. And this was the first real case of a group of microorganisms being transplanted from one person to another, an entire colony being moved over, or rather a new colony being established in this woman. And gross as it sounds, it saved her life. And I wouldn't suggest trying this, but you can even be done at home. I don't know who would want to try it. There's a paper you can look up. I'm a little hesitant to even share the information, but nonetheless, it's a gross but exciting step forward in medical science. And I hope you found that interesting. Thanks.